Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi, and thanks to all of you for watching our video, because we have got so many paintings from all of you. Yes, you should use this platform because Doremi is a platform nourishes the start to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. And those who are waiting, no more waiting, please send your artwork, art videos, because Doremi is waiting for you. So don't skip, watch our full video and comment us wherever you face the problem so I can make a personalized video for all of you. So watch the video.
So let's start our drawing. So you have to take your paper in portrait format. Now you draw a line in the middle of the paper, a vertical line. The line should not be very dark because this is a supporting line that is showing that in the which side we have to draw a figure. You can see I have drawn a 3 circle and I have drawn also one line. This line is showing the middle of the circle. Now I have done the structure of our body. So here you can understand I am going to draw a human figure, but first I am starting with the basic structures. I made a separate video for this, how to draw the structure of the figure. So you need to watch that video, but here also I'm showing. So you can see the rectangle shapes is representing the body. That will be 2 times of the head of the human figure. Now we are drawing the leg. So here you can understand there is a 4 circles for the leg. That means leg will be the 4 times of the head of the figure. So this is the basic structure first I'm drawing. So things will be easier for you. Now you can see how I'm drawing the hand. The upper part should be the level of chest. After that lower part I'm drawing that and the circle I have drawn for representing the hands. Now I am drawing the dress the man is wearing. Yes, the man is wearing a dhoti. It's a Bengali traditional dress. You can see how I am drawing. Now these are the folding that I'm showing. You need to watch the full video, don't skip. This is going to be very much helpful for all of you. So you could see I didn't draw the leg inside of the body because as my figure is wearing the dresses, so I don't need. Now I see how I am drawing the leg that is visible. Now the man is wearing a leather shoes kind of, but better you do with the slippers. That looks nice with the dhoti. Now we are drawing the shirt. It is not a shirt, we are drawing a kind of vest. So you can see around the neck the design of the dress. It's very simple. I told Bengali is a traditional dress. And you could see what I'm drawing. I am drawing a man. He's going for Jamai Sasthi, you all know. So now I'm going to see the hand. Look, the round shapes, I have just drawn a line, and the man is holding a big fish. You can see the fish is bigger. it is cross the knee of the human figure. And you can see the texture for the fish body. Now I will make the finger. Hand is folding, the hand is holding something, so all the fingers are folded. Now another hand, I am drawing a bag. Now I am drawing our hand. Yes, this hand also holding a bag. So once again you have to draw a rectangle shapes, and this bag is coming on the leg because the man is holding bag that is touched with its body. That looks more realistic, because you have seen when the people carry the bag, they always keep it touch with their body. The same way we are doing. Drawing is something that is very scientific. You have to know all the science, you have to know all the steps. That can make you a real artist. So you can see the way we have completed. Now some portion I am giving dark line. Now we will draw the face. So for face we are drawing first chin. Face is symmetric, so both the sides should be equal. Now I am drawing the middle line for nose and mouth in the middle of the face, and ear should be yes. Now I have drawn the eyes. You can see exactly where I have drawn the nose, mouth and ear. I have for face I have made a separated video. You need to watch that video for complete guidance. So the man is going for Jamai Sasthi with a big fish and a bag of vegetables. So I hope this video will definitely help you. Once again I am drawing all the steps that I have done. You always should go with the steps, not draw just by watching. See the steps and draw. So very slowly I am showing. I have drawn a line in the middle of the paper, and left side you are drawing a human figure. You can see the structure. Body will be 2 times of the head, leg will be 4 times of the head. Yes, leg is 2 part, upper part, lower part. Now we have drawn the hand. Man is wearing dhuti. Now the waist, having t-shirt. Now man legs wearing slippers, half sleeves, waist. Now man is holding a fish and a bag of vegetables, and this is the face. Now it's your turn. Our next video I will color it. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.